Hello guys, welcome to my another video. This is your host and you're watching me on Russell Brothers. So in this particular video I'm got some secret backstage news of WWE of Vince McMahon and Dominic. Not only that, I have some also news about tomorrow's Raw. So stay tuned guys, video is gonna be a very interesting one. Okay, so first I'm going to start with the mystery woman that's been showing on SmackDown for quite a few time. A glamorous woman who's been showing from the back, and a mystery has been building that who is that woman on SmackDown. So let me tell you guys, that woman's identity has been revealed or has been identified by the fans. So let me show you one picture of the mystery woman. As you can see that in this picture there is a tattoo on the side of the elbow of that woman. And now if you want to know that who the woman is, let me show you this picture. Yes, it's Carmella, and you can see the same tattoo on her hand, same position, same tattoo. So it's been quite clear that WWE is trying to build a new character of Carmella, the former Money in the Bank winner, SmackDown Women's Champion. So a new look, a new way Carmella will be portrayed in SmackDown, and soon she will be getting her ring debut with her new character. So this is the woman who she is, and I hope WWE will give her a new push this time. Okay, now the next news is about the backstage video between Dominic and Vince McMahon that's been leaked after Dominic's match in SummerSlam against Seth Rollins. So I cannot upload the video due to some copyright claim, but I can show you the glimpse. These are the glimpse. As you can see that Vince McMahon has in that particular video, Vince McMahon has really congratulate Dominic and has told him that not many get the kind of a reaction that Dominic's get after his first match. And I also think that the way Dominic has been really playing each and every match, in whether it's Raw, whether it's on pay-per-view, whether it's on Payback, Raw, so everything Dominic is giving 100%. And also recently WWE released a video of Dominic before his match. So it's a great thing, WWE is getting a new superstar, and WWE is also planning something big for Dominic. And we all know that if Vince McMahon wants to push someone, where that player can go. So Dominic has his hand with Vince McMahon. Hope that Dominic will get a good push. But this congratulations from Vince McMahon is a special thing, because Dominic being a young player and getting a congratulation like this from Vince McMahon, it's a great thing. Even if he's Ray's son, but his quality, his speed is really good. Okay, now the news is about tomorrow's Raw. There are some exciting things that's going to happen on tomorrow's Raw. So the first match that's been declared, that is a champion versus champion match. That is both the champion of the two brands will meet each other. That is a Street Profit versus the team of Nakamura and Cesaro. So this will be a champion versus champion match, and hope that a match will be a very good one, and the team which will win will definitely get the upper hand for Clash of Champions. So let's see who wins, but I hope the match will be good. Another championship match that's been declared, that is the Raw Women's Championship match between Asuka and Mickie James. So therefore after a long time, Mickie James is getting an opportunity where she will be getting an one-on-one championship opportunity. So this will also be a good chance, whether we all know that might that Mickie James will not win the championship, but will definitely give a good fight to Asuka. Even I also believe that a women's championship match on Raw will definitely put an extra thing on Raw also. Now another match that's also been declared is the WWE champion Drew McIntyre will face one-on-one to his friend Keith Lee. So Drew McIntyre versus Keith Lee in Raw will be a great thing, even though I believe that Randy Orton might get involved in this match and can hamper the match, but the match will be good whatever time the match will be. And even if Randy Orton is a challenger, Keith Lee is constantly been putting in this championship rivalry, so things might get interesting in Clash of Champions or in the next pay-per-view. So let's see what happens, but I'm really excited. And another thing that I'm most excited for is the steel cage match between Seth Rollins and Dominic Mysterio. Another chance to prove that Dominic Mysterio is the son of Rey, the legend Rey. So let's see what happens, but many inside news has been telling that this might be a big win for Dominic, and if he pins Seth Rollins, that means he is being on the top card, because Seth Rollins being the top man of Raw, and if he's getting pinned by Dominic, who is just a debut player, so that could be a good thing. Definitely we are not sure that whether Buddy Murphy will be there or not, but Ray will definitely be there on his son's side. So let's see what happens, but as it's a steel cage match, I hope the match will be really good. So let's see what happens. Personally, I'm really excited for tomorrow's Raw, especially seeing the glimpse. So this is the thing that I wanted to share with you. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.